Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 28th of April 2024. I'm going to be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla and for the expiry on the 3rd of May. The max Y level has gone up for CE, which is positive. The quantity is higher for PE, which is positive. The change is higher for CE, which is negative. The short squeeze is higher for PE, which is another negative. PCR is 1.4, which is positive. Implied volatility is much lower, which is positive. Historical volatility, however, is higher, so that's a negative. RSI is higher, that's a positive. RSI divergence is not there, so that's still a negative. The ADX is higher, that's negative. ATR is higher, that's negative. EMA, and both EMAs are higher, that's positive. Both EMAs are lower, so those are actually two negatives. VWAP is higher, positive. Fibonacci is higher, positive, and the candlestick is positive. So overall, the prediction is that Tesla goes up. Support is 150. The previous week's support was 150 as well. Resistance is 180. The previous week's resistance was 155. So let me just quickly check here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, in this case, because of my mistake in the change in the EMAs, this actually becomes neutral. But anyways, the option chain analysis stays the same. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.